fun fact.
The fun fact wasn't anything crazy. Like, all that happened was we encountered this racist man on the plane. He literally threw a backpack at Jada's little brother. You know, it was very much, it was something. It was something. And I have a picture of his face, so I might insert it right here.
We made it. I need my tripod. You're there. Where's my tripod?
Do you have a tripod?
Yes. To Long Beach. Yup. Now we finna wait to get on. Get in the vlog. You wanna say something? On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you?
7.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you?
9.
Yeah.
Can I shoot my shot like Devin Booker? Alright, man.
Would I? We on the way to the carnival right now. Okay, so in the plane, you know, and it was time to get off the plane. ABCDFG, you know, the boarding is a mess. So they had 2 exits. The one that was going in the front and in the back. Why? Okay, so we had suitcases behind where we were sitting, and this man, he was big and palm colored. So he refused to grab the bags that we had behind there. So we had to basically fight for our bags. But not fight, but like a little argument, and it was a bit of tension. Just so y'all know, but it's okay. We solved the problem. We got our bags and we got out first. Because he was over here talking about some, oh, you guys can get it, let us pass, da-da-da. You was not passing. Anyway, that was the matching fit. Yeah, get into it. Bro, we're trying to find our room. This is the bathroom. It's giving prison stuff for show. What is it, a push out? How you feel? This is so beautiful. Wasn't there? What is this man doing, JJ? Honestly, I want to change. It's hot. Body tea.
Cruise, but before we do that, we do need all guests to check into their muster station. Your muster station assignment is noted on the bottom left corner of your sail and sign card, which is also your room key.
He's not even posted. Are we supposed to be here? Like, what even is it? I have mine. Oh, she asked her. Okay. Let her do it. You want this is the mic if you want to speak. The audio.
We're on the mustard.
We're in the mustard.
How do you feel so far? I have a question. I'll shoot my shot like Devin Booker. Can I?
Alright.
Okay, get out. Sit down.
We are barely like 2 hours in. This man right here behind the camera is asking like the most light skinned man I've ever seen in my life. Respectfully. You don't need to act any more light skinned than you already do. I swear.
I take them to address their clown. We had them. It's supposed to be a thing for the safety thing. She's literally holding the life vest. But it's kind of nice. Look. Whoa, what? It's so full right now. We're gonna eat some burgers. No, I'm not going to somebody's feet. I'm not going to somebody's feet. I don't know what it was. This kid's having a tantrum right now. They want me recording. But I'm not doing that. Stop, bro. What is happening? We are exploding. I just... Okay, hold on. I swear. It's cute. Bro, the wind is windy. See. The DJ is eating down your right. We at the top. Top floor. We having fun. We going back there. The sundown is in like an hour. I've already, you know. We DJ for real.
So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying, oh, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is. I gotta stop her. Oh, yeah. Oh. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. You gotta know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
My camera is full on storage, so I gotta wait till nighttime to like download all of that. But we are exploring right now. Are you recording? Yeah. We are sent off, so we're moving now. We are set to sail. Liquid Lounge is giving. It's definitely giving 21 plus. You said I'm pulling up. Bye. Daniel just got a raffle for the top 5 excursions. We gotta go. We are getting ready for dinner right now. I'll prep my hair and all that. Look, it's coming down. I think we're working now. We are about to go eat dinner. Hey! About to go eat dinner. We got dressed up. With the fam. Cute. With the fam. With the fam. Hannah Mae. Guys, say hey. Say hey. Oh. Where's the energy? Where? What's up?
Yo, it's good. Ain't nothing fucking about that.
Guys, we ordered the whole menu. Everything's free. We ordered the whole menu. We need to get it because we gotta go to the jacuzzi tonight. I'm so tired. We flew here, we danced, we partied. I'm literally worn out. No stopping, just go. My shrimp cocktail. We took pictures, we ate dinner, it was mid. But it was fun though. They had like a little service. And now we're gonna go to the teen club to see what it's like. And we can't get in. I can't get in. I can get in, but I don't really want to go. We're just gonna scope the scenery out, and then we're gonna go maybe swimming and just call it a night probably. But we're following our stalkers, and they're going from lemonade stand to lemonade stand. And we in bathing suits now. We're trying to go in the hot tub, but there's like 1,000 people with like their body to body in there, so we're not doing that. Chilling. We're just chilling. I saw the nigga that bought the oil. I bought the oil. They're going. Update, they sold the bag. Hey, tell me how are we that close to the moon? Wait, where's the moon? Oh, the moon. Oh, it looks so pretty. We are in our bathing suits, but we are bored because the jacuzzis are full and we don't want to be body to body. We traveling. They playing with the gym. Jada's eating ice cream. That bitch is getting hit. I can't believe everything we have so young and It's empty. Guys, let's go. It's empty. Oh, you got a room. Well, stick your toes in. The jacuzzis are empty. Hot tub time. That was you only.
Hard to own some marijuana and some pornography. Old school.
Pros to a T, bro. They're following this man around like. We officially cannot find shit to do. Hey guys, update. We gave up. We are. Jenna's in the shower right now. I'm brushing my hair out. The crump was cute. It was cute, but my hair is puffing up, so it's time for it to just go away. And I'm ready to take a shower because it's about that time. The fit is so cute. But yeah, look at the show build up. You know what? We're gonna be on the boat all day. But look at this man.